Hey everybody, Kyle here with CRKT, and today I'm talking about the Dextro, designed by Schwarz. So starting with the blade, we have a drop point blade with a flat grind. It's D2 tool steel and it's coated. So that'll improve corrosion resistance, it'll hold an edge longer, and because it's D2, it'll stand up to more wear and tear over time. It also measures in at just over 3¼ inches long. It has bead blasted black aluminum handles which help cut down on the weight. It has a low profile pocket clip which is really easy in and out of pocket because it just rides metal on metal. We have this cool green accent here with kind of a lime green pivot ring, and then we also have a lime green backspacer here for just a little extra flash. What I really like about this knife is the action. It can be easily deployed with either the flipper tab or the thumb stud, and it just flies open thanks to IKBS caged ball bearings. And the action is just buttery smooth and just drops shut simply. It also has a liner lock, so it's super easy to close one-handed. It's just effortless. The Dextro is an all-around EDC. It's capable, larger size, can handle a number of different tasks. The shape of the handle is very ergonomic, easy to hang on to. You know, you can work with this for quite a while without any sort of discomfort or hot spots. It's just a really well-designed, all-around knife. We've worked with Schwarz for quite some time, and I've gotten to know him personally. I've visited with him in a shop. I've gone out in the field with him, overlanding. And what's impressed me about TJ is his approach to design. He really champions something called process-oriented design, which really means that the end product is as efficiently designed as possible and comes out to be very, very functional. He's very intentional about how he designs his products and his tools, and what you see as a result is nothing wasted. Everything is intentional and it's purpose-built. And I've come to really appreciate his approach to design and ultimately the knives that he comes out with. If you're looking for a capable, durable, all-around EDC, I encourage you to check out the Dextro designed by Schwarz.